2003 Infiniti Fx35. So there were like leak over here, common leak. So we'll be replacing this hose, and also there's a o-ring here and the oil filter housing. See this, and then on here. All right, let's do it. Right, let's remove the filter. Okay, I can do it by hand. Okay. Let it drain. Let's remove plug wire. It's coolant. It's the coolant. Oops! Oh my god! Let's remove this hose. Right, using 7/8. There you go. Yeah, that's perfect. Now let's remove this. There you go. Nice. All right. Hold on. Okay. Okay, let's remove it. Alright. Come on, baby. There you go. Alright. There's the o-ring. This one. Gonna replace this. Right, bad news. We don't have this. It's a back order, and it will arrive after a couple of days. And I need my space. So what we are going to do is we're just gonna put some sealant, and then I'm gonna talk to the customer. This one, we're just gonna put sealant in here. this way. Just gonna put some sealant on. And then for this one, luckily this one it's still a little bit long, so we're just gonna cut it. We're just gonna cut this part. There you go. Nice. Still good. It's this part. Nice. I'm gonna use Permatex. Again, we don't have available parts, so we have no choice. No choice. Just put some sealant on. Then I'm gonna talk to the customer to order it, and then after a few days we're gonna redo it again. Okay, we'll put sealant in here using Permatex. Oh my god, I hate this. What the heck? Yep. Alright, that's good enough. Let's put this O-ring. There you go. That's perfect. Then let it dry for a few minutes. A little bit clean. Yeah, leave it like that. Again, this is just temporary fix. And also this, we just cut it. Leave it for a few minutes and then let's install it. Alright, I think it's already, yeah, it's a little bit solid now. So we can put it in. Okay, let's do it. Alright, let's clean it up. Using brake cleaner. Okay. Alright, let's put it on. Alright. You see it? Okay, good. Alright. Nice. Alright, so hoses are in. Let's put this oil filter. Alright. Nice. I was gonna put some oil. I'm using 5W30. The customer bought this one, so this is his choice. Let's put all 5 liters and let's see if there's still a leak.